Hi, to change color of the user interface on your OnePlus Nord 3, we just need to go in the settings first. Here, find the wallpaper and style, and after that, select the colors. So, as a first step, we can change featured colors. We have here a few options. For example, we can switch to the neutral. And now, let's see the changes. So, here you can see how these icons just change the color. Let's change them again. And this is the result. So, they just got brighter. Now we can change the wallpaper colors as well. We have a few options as well, so we can select active, for example. This is the fresh one. Here you can see how it will look on your screen. This is elegant, and here is the custom one. So some apps running in the background may restart when a new color palette is applied. So if you agree with that, you can set your own custom colors. And that is the bright option. So yeah, that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.